Most people obsess over skincare for their face, but here's the shocker. Your scalp actually ages up to 6 times faster than the skin on your face. And the consequences aren't just thinning hair. We're talking weaker follicles, dryness, inflammation, and even premature graying. Let's break down why this happens, the signs to watch for, and what you can do to keep your scalp and your hair healthy. Number 1. Blood flow slows down with age. Your scalp is packed with tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. As you get older, circulation naturally decreases. This means your follicles don't get the fuel they need, leading to weaker hair growth. That's why hair often looks thinner, duller, and more fragile as we age. The fix? Scalp massages. Just a few minutes daily can boost circulation. And when combined with oils, like rosemary or peppermint, you're essentially waking up dormant follicles. Number 2. Collagen breaks down. Just like the skin on your face, your scalp depends on collagen for structure and elasticity. But because the scalp is exposed to more UV light, collagen breakdown is accelerated. Without collagen, the skin weakens, hair anchoring suffers, and you see more shedding. Using sunscreen on your scalp, especially if you have thinning hair or a visible part line, can dramatically slow this process. A simple SPF spray is enough to shield your scalp from sun damage. Number 3. Oil production decreases. You've probably noticed your skin gets drier as you age, and the scalp is no different. Less oil means more dryness, flaking, and irritation, which directly impacts hair growth. This dryness also makes your hair more brittle and prone to breakage. Hydrating shampoos, gentle exfoliation, and lightweight oils like argan or jojoba can restore balance. The key is moisture without clogging your follicles. Number 4. Oxidative stress speeds up graying. Everyday factors like pollution, UV light, and even chronic stress cause oxidative damage in the scalp. This damage accelerates the loss of pigment-producing cells, which is why gray hairs appear earlier than many expect. The scalp ages faster because it's directly exposed. Antioxidants are your best defense, both through diet, think berries, leafy greens, and green tea, and topical products containing vitamin C or E. Number 5. Poor scalp care habits compound the damage. Here's the thing. Most people don't treat their scalp as skin. They'll invest in serums and moisturizers for their face, but use harsh shampoos or ignore scalp buildup altogether. Over time, this neglect adds years to your scalp's biological age. Regular exfoliation with a gentle scalp scrub, paired with nourishing treatments, keeps the environment clean and balanced for healthy hair growth. Your scalp isn't just the foundation of your hair. It's living skin that needs just as much attention as your face. Remember, it ages up to 6 times faster. So the earlier you start caring for it, the longer you'll keep strong, vibrant hair. Massage it, protect it, hydrate it, and feed it from the inside out. Small steps now can make a big difference over the years.